All right, this is some clear glue, clear blue sparkle dust. I'm gonna put my brush into the water and take some of this and just kind of dab it on the hat, just to give it a little bit of sparkle, sparkle. And I'll do some on the brim. Okay. Then I'll take some white buttercream. We're going to give him some snow. See, I said I'd give him a little snow here on his nose. That little part of the corn cob where I wanted to cover up that little faux pas. Okay, then on that, what we'll do is we'll take some of this edible glitter and sprinkle some of that on that snow. Okay, I thought if I have a little of this blue left, what I'll do is just kind of go around the edge of this cake. So it's called clear blue, so it has a hint of blue when you look at it from the side. So I'm just about done with this bottle. Oh, not good. All right, so I got to fix that. Can it be fixed? Let's see. Ooh. Yeah, you know what he needs? Let me take this off. He actually needs some blush there. You can't tell, right? No, I'm just kidding. Let's see. So this is how you fix a mess up here. He does need blush anyway, so let me take some raspberry luster dust. And then I can take a couple of balls of white fondant. And flatten it. And this could be his cheeks. Okay, so before I put it on, I'll take a little bit of the raspberry. Kind of go like this to see if I even like it before I put that on there. Maybe I'll want to do something else. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, so then obviously I need one on the other side. Okay, and then I forgot to put some of this on. Snow here. A little bit on there. And I think I'll take some of this raspberry and actually kind of give the carrot nose a little highlight. And then why don't we add a little bit of gold to the corn cob. Just looks too flat, just the one color, so I'm going to support it with my finger behind it and just kind of brush it a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to put some snow around, maybe some snowflakes.